So it's February 9th, 2020. Sunday, beautiful day outside. It's probably, I don't know, 50, 55 degrees. And I started getting that itch. I want to get something in the ground. So recently I went to Walmart and I bought an onion bulb set. It comes with 100 bulbs. It looks like it's got some red onions, maybe some Vidalia, some yellow onions in there. But either way, this is a low maintenance plant. So just stick it in the ground a couple inches. When the temperatures, soil temperatures are around 50 degrees or higher, and in the spring, as it starts to warm up, you should be getting some nice big onion bulbs. So I'll take you through this process, show you what I plan on doing, and I'm going to be using just a couple of tools here, and I'll show you how it looks when I'm done setting them up. We're going to be putting them in that bed right over there. So one thing before I get started, I recommend if you're shopping for these onion sets, you look for the ones with, you know, the roundest bulbs. They look healthy. They're the biggest. And if you can, go through them, sort out any ones that look like they might have disease or are too small, and put your energy into planting these ones first. You know, make sure you do it right on the good bulbs, rather than put these little tiny ones in the ground that might not even take off. So I'll go ahead and get these in and I'll show you what that looks like. So what I'm doing here is I'm just scraping back the mulch on the bed. I've tilled up the soil so it's nice and loose, and I just use a stick to make a hole in the ground. Now when you place the bulb, make sure you're placing it with the root side down. You want this pointy side facing up. So again, the pointy end is going to face up. That's where it's going to sprout. And this is the root base. You want that down towards the soil. And I don't know, 2 inches in there. Now we're just going to cover them up and repeat the process down the bed. Now if you haven't tilled your garden bed in a while, be careful. This could put a damper on my planting ability. I'm gonna have to move to a different section of the bed because I really don't feel like getting my hands in that. I'm almost finished up here. I've decided I'm gonna plant the rest of these around the house in various locations, and ultimately I'm gonna put about 50 bulbs in this bed. So a few more minutes, we'll be done. Alright, so I got it all planted, and last thing I'm going to do is just hit it with a little Miracle-Gro just to give it some nutrients. And then, I don't know, once a week I'll just water it, maybe a little more depending on rain. So that's it. I think I paid $3 for these onion bulbs at Walmart. Definitely worth doing. It's very low maintenance and pretty disease resistant as well. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.